So we were originally approached from Melbourne by an art gallery collaboration with a local Aboriginal artist looking for 3 large baskets. They are called Bilang. And that's a form of dilly bags they used to attach their body to carry their stuff around when they were out country. And they wanted them in a style that sort of reflected Auntie Kim's artworks. So she's a weaver, but also makes quite large sculpture weavings based on eel or fish traps. And to do those, she used wire in a kind of a looping, almost knitted or crocheted sort of effect. So I replicated that in a simpler form. Individual pieces were cut with our normal bamboo plywood. So there are spotlights in the space which shine on it from different angles and project shadows onto the opposite wall. In the late afternoon, the sun comes around and comes in through the big windows and creates some beautiful shadow patterns that way as well.